Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the EPROICKS shoe dryer. Constant temperature of the dryer are possible. We start with only one button. It can reach a constant temperature of 46 degrees Celsius in 15 seconds after switching on the device. The holes on the shoe dryer are densely distributed, and when heated, the space inside the shoes forms a ring of warm airflow. 360 degrees heat is evenly distributed. There be the sole and the upper materials are considered, and even the dead space inside the shoe can be dried evenly. But there is more. We can not only make warm shoes with that device, we have a double sterilization possibility. That means ultraviolet light. This is bacteriostasis and activated carbon box. The bacteriostasis and the deodorising upgrade. The shoe dryer has built-in PTC heating element, which can destroy the habitat of microorganisms in the shoe with the help of high temperature drying and, of course, ultraviolet rays, achieving the effect of inhibited microbial growth while eliminating odours too. We say goodbye to microbes caused by sweating while running. And we have here an intelligent timing machine. This is a classic device for shoes made of different materials with different thickness or moisture. We can set a free timer with up to 120 minutes. We let the multifunctional shoe dryer run safely and quietly. The passive time control protects our beloved shoes from overheating, so we have more time to enjoy a comfortable wearing experience with the shoes. Even if our shoes are dry again, and then we have a good feeling again. And it's foldable and a retractable design. This She Boot dryer is foldable and fits various shoe types such as boots, trainers, flat shoes, and children's shoes. It is also suitable for gloves, hats, socks, and so on. Thanks to the foldable design, the electric shoe dryer can be easily stored in a suitcase or on hand luggage. This is perfect for travel, or of course we can use it home. And it is safe and flame retardant. The Sea Boot Bomber is made of flame retardant materials. It is pressure and temperature resistant and cannot burn or deform during use. Of course, the shoe dryer is suitable for different types: shoes, boots, and hats, helmets, and so more. This is a fashionable, classic, and atmospheric appearance. This is a high quality, high temperature resistant device. Environment friendly plastic, PA and ABS. No deformation, no color fading, and anti aging. Appearance of the structural design of an anti-pull, anti-high pressure, safe more accurate, 360 degrees all around heating old design. Clever use of air fluid kinematics, high efficiency heat dissipations. That means energy efficiency ratio. High life of the PTC heater plus high quality thermal conductivity insulating paper, unique combination of the perfect combination of efficiency and safely at the same time, and at the same time to ensure that the surface temperature of the dryer of the maintain the temperature of the shoes in specific temperatures point of the drying shoes. Sterilizing, deodorizing drying shoes make the feet drier, more comfortable and warmer. The dryer can produce high temperature gas quickly after energized, which has significantly therapeutic effects on our foot odor patients. We safe to use, convenient and easy to carry, of course. It's easy to use, as you can see. It's really easy, okay? Before we are going to use it the first time, we connect it to air ducts with the host. Then we pull open the adjustable lengths of the air dust. And then we pull open the hose below the supported bracket. It can be lifted 45 degrees out of the door of the product. And then we put the outlet of the chew dryer into the chews. Connect the power supply and turn on the switch. The chew dryer begins to work. And of course, we can set the time, and the chew dryer will automatically switch off after the timer runs out. This product is divided into 4 tiers. We can choose between 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and 120 minutes. After plugging the power supply, the knob point screw to each minute area, and it's time how much time it is. And of course, we can make it on or off. This is the second thing you can choose from, on and off, or the timer function. This is a chew dryer, CDN MR18T. The rated power is 220 volt with 50 Hz, so it means it's possible to use this in Europe. The rated power is 150 watt. The surface temperature is around about 48 degrees Celsius. The execution standard is GB 47061-2005. You see, this is a cool thing. This is a chew dryer by EPROICKS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.